freezes over after making a real nuisance of himself, has joined that Atletico defensive wall. Also, wonderful save. Fantastic stop by Oblak. Instinctive from the Atletico goalkeeper, but he kept it out.
Well, it was an incredible...
Now Bale. Pushed in the back by Juan Fran.
All at shielding.
Pepe ready to make his move on by Bale. And bundled over the line. Sergio Ramos, who scored Real's late equaliser in Lisbon, has put them in front in Milan. It's taken less than 15 minutes. Gabi. Griezmann, offside. Wouldn't have counted anyway.
What an interesting and difficult skill to produce there, Griezmann.
Gabi. There's Griezmann.
Well, the Frenchman wants to shoot at every opportunity and was worth an effort.
Griezmann. Looking for Fernando Torres. It's a penalty.
Debatable decision. I thought Torres was looking for it a little bit.
It's Griezmann, and he's thundered it against the underside of the crossbar. A missed opportunity for Atletico. Savage forward with Godin, and Godin is the target, and he managed to get there. And Savage has just jabbed that wide. Subsequently as well, Real winning in the quarterfinals. Bale. A little aggregate win last season, but domestically certainly. Atletico helped on by Carrasco. Carrasco again, swift to get onto his feet. Met by Saul. Here's Benzema. There's a chance now for Real, a chance to seal it. Decent save by Oblak, but Ronaldo! Bale on his way. Another fine save. Bale. It's Bale!
But they're going to leave themselves open, I fear.
Juan Fran! They're level! Right on cue! Carrasco's goal!
There's the irony!
Fran provided the cross which presented Atletico with a chance to get their first goal. And he nearly set up Fernando Torres for a second. Here's Bale. He's given Juan Fran the slip. He might have just got in there ahead of his goalkeeper, but important now that Atletico... In by Modric. Goalkeeper thought about coming for that, decided to stay on his line, and it might have been the wrong decision. Big chance for Real.
Just seemed...
Helped on by Godin. He was looking for Fernando Torres, but it's come too late for Atletico. First period of extra time underway. Looking for Bale. He came away off Ronaldo's knee and straight into the grateful arms of Oblak. No time for a late hero. We go to a penalty shootout. Vasquez, who scores? For World Cup in a shootout. It's Griezmann. He makes sure this time, 1-1.
Well,
deep breath from Marcelo, who also scores. 2-1. It's Gabi, unerring. 2-2. It was a magnificent penalty. Bale, cool as you like. 3-2. Pressure is up. It's at the Real Madrid end. Doesn't make any difference. It's 3-3. A perfect setup. Ramos set. Ramos scores.
Making it very difficult for the goalkeeper with the slight hesitation.
Juan Fran. It's hit the post and come out. when Real lost to Bayern in a shootout 4 years ago. It's Ronaldo. It is Real Madrid who win the UEFA Champions League. For the third time in a European Cup final, there is disappointment for Atletico. La decima for Real 2 years ago. Now they have their 11th Champions Cup. A fantastic spectacle, nail gripping to the very end. Has handed it over, and it's raised by Sergio Ramos, because Real Madrid are UEFA Champions League winners 2016.